morning students, and this is the video of Standard 2 English. Okay, and which chapter we are going to study? The chapter is the Song of the Train, chapter 8. Now see here, the train whistled twice, means the train was whistling. First we are knowing that who was travelling, Minnie, her mother and her father, and they were going to visit Minnie's grandparents, isn't it? And they are travelling by train, and this is the picture of train. Minnie is 6 years old, but she never travelled on a train before, so everything is new to her. And now what is happening? The train whistled 2 times. Twice means 2 times. Okay, and there was a slight jerk and the train started. When you will sit on the train before starting, it jerks a little. So before starting, the train jerked and it started, and then it moved slowly. Because it moved slowly and then it picked up its speed. Soon it went faster and faster. Then first it moved slowly after the jerk, and then it took its own speed. And how it took the speed, and the train became fast. And what Minnie is doing here? Minnie is looking out of the window. And it is a sunny afternoon. See, the bright sun is shining through the window. Because on sunny afternoon, there is bright sun in the sky. A man was working in the fields. Here, the man is working in the field with his bull, isn't it? Now, a woman was drawing water from a well. This was the sight from the window, which Minnie was watching. Some children were playing. Here, more than one child, so children. Some children were playing. They looked at the train and waved. Means when they look, see, the children are waving the hand here. Means they were waving the hand. Even trees wave their branches, because when the wind blows, the branches shakes. So it is told that trees wave their branches. Now the trees are running so fast, said Minnie. Actually, what was happening? The train was moving, but when you will sit in the train, it seems that train is still and rest of the things are moving. And so Minnie was thinking that trees are running so fast. No, Minnie, laughed her mother. And her mother was knowing the right thing, and she laughed a little. And then she, what did she do? Her mother explained her that trees are not running. The train is moving and we are moving with it. Now, who comes? Ticket collector. Your ticket, please, said a man in uniform. And who is this man? He is a ticket collector. Who is this man? Whispered Minnie. And Minnie is asking very slowly with her mother, like whispering. What is the meaning of whispered? Whisper means talk slowly. Now Minnie is asking that, who is this man? He is the ticket examiner, replied Minnie's father. And Minnie's father explained her that he is the ticket examiner. He wants to see our tickets. Minnie's mother gave their tickets to the man. And what is the work of the ticket examiner? He sees whether the right person is sitting on the right place or not. Now what happened? Minnie's mother gave their tickets to the man. He looked at them. Here in this picture, the man is looking at them. Thank you, he said, and gave the tickets back to her. Back to whom? Back to Minnie's mother, because he took the ticket from Minnie's mother. So after seeing the ticket, he returned back to Minnie's mother. Minnie looked out of the window And now what is happening? Minnie is looking out of the window, the side, and the sun was setting. It looked like a giant orange. Now it is the time of sunset, and at the time of sunset you will see the sun becomes reddish and round. When it is afternoon, you can't see the sun still. Your eyes can't wait, but at the time of sunset you can see it. It looks red, giant, means big ball of oranges red. It was beautiful outside because at the time of sunset all the animals come back to their home, birds return to their nest, and herds of cattle, they were walking across the field, means they were returning to their home, and it was looking very beautiful. Here see flocks of birds flying in the sky. The sun went behind a hill, means the sun was setting, isn't it? Soon it began to grow dark. After sunset what happens? It becomes night, and at night what happens? You can see the stars, the moon, isn't it? And lights came on in the train, and in the train lights are also switched on. Dinner coupon, said a man. Now the man is asking for dinner coupon. In the train which is having long journey, there you will see there is carpentry where food is cooked, and from there people come to collect the orders. Minnie's mother bought 3 coupons, and here 3 person is there, so Minnie's mother is buying 3 coupons. The train was slowing down. When any station comes, the train becomes slow, and then it stops. Then the train stopped, and after becoming slow, what happened? The train has stopped here. Bright light came in through the window, and on the station there was light which came through the window inside the boggy. It's an important station, said Minnie's father, and Minnie's father is explaining Minnie that it is an important station and train will stop here for some time. And which are the important stations, my dear? You know, in the train. For train where the staff changes, or they have to load something, take water, those stations, it takes a little bit time to do those works, and it is called an important station. The platform was full of people. Here the platform is full of people. Porters were carrying boxes on their heads and shoulders. The people who carry the loads on the station, railway station, we call in them coolie also, but the exact word is porters. Here see, porters were carrying boxes and bags. Some people were selling things, and on the platform you get some edible things also. Everyone is in a hurry, Minnie thought. Why? Because the train stops for a certain time only. The train started again and left the station behind. And then only the train started and station was left behind. Then the food came in 3 packets. Because Minnie's mother had taken 3 coupons, so 3 packet food came. After she ate, Minnie asked, now where do I sleep? And see, we are having 3 berths, explained Minnie's father. And on each berth, 1 people can sleep. An upper berth, a middle and a lower. See, this type of berth is we are having in the train. Okay? Minnie's father lifted her and put her in the middle berth. Now he then covered with a blanket. How your parents do when you sleep, they cover you. Soon he switched off the light and turned on the night light. Night light is less brighter than the proper light. The train speed through the night. Minnie listened. She thought, it's the song of the train, it's singing for me. Soon she was fast asleep. Isn't it? Now see, What does this story tells you? That true wealth is the experience of enjoying every moment and celebrating every breath. Here Minnie was enjoying each and every moment in the train. Now here are some exercises which you have to do. And to do those exercises, first you will have to study about the conjunction. What is conjunction? A word that is used for joining other words, phrases or sentences are called conjunction words. Are called conjunction, or we can say joining words also. Okay, suppose and some exercises, some examples are here. But, and, because, yet, unless, see. But, how we use but? We use but when there is totally opposite condition. Okay, suppose I want to go out but it is very bright sunny day, which I can't tolerate. So I want to go, but it is bright sunny day, which I can't bear. Where we use but, now you have when to connect the ideas that is totally different. Totally, I am hungry, but I have nothing to eat. We use but. And we use to join same type of sentences. We come to school to study, read and write, to study and play. So same time, we come to school to study also, to play also, to do drawing also. So we can use and that. Because we use to show the reason. Okay. I was absent yesterday because I was sick. Here what I am giving? I am giving you the reason why I was absent. So these are some words, but you will have to, right now we will use but, and, or. Or we use to show the choice. You like tea or coffee, you like bread or butter, you like to eat burger or pizza. So here or we use to ask a choice. Now here are some exercises which you will do in your homework. Fill in the blanks. Using but, so and or. But, so and or. Okay. Here and is not joining so and or, but and is also a conjunction. It is cold. Dash I wear my hat and gloves. What I am giving here also I am giving the reason. It is cold, so I wear my hat and gloves. I know the answer, but I can't tell you. In the examination I know the answer, but I won't tell you. You stay here. Dash wait for him. Or there is, you are having two choice. You can stay or wait for him. I usually take the bus to school. Dash today my mom drove me. I usually take the bus to school, but today my mom drove me. Okay. Thomas has two brothers and one sister. Two brothers also he is having and one sister also he is having. Tina and Tim. Here and we will use to join. Tina and Tim are best friends. She is poor and kind. Poor and kind. Both are adjective and it is describing the pronoun she. And here we will add kind. Do you prefer coffee or tea? because you are having here choice. You can take coffee also and tea also. Okay. Now thank you everyone for watching this video, beta. Do your work very nicely, neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.